Easily send calendar availability through Revenue Inbox to book a meeting. With Revenue Inbox, you can schedule a meeting with your customers with just a single email message. Start composing a new email, add as many recipients as you need, and each of them will receive an invitation. When your message is ready, next open Revenue Inbox sidebar and click Time Slots in the Smart Actions. In this dialog box, add meeting details. Meeting subject will be pulled from your email. Specify location and duration. In the Save to Salesforce Record field, choose a record you want this meeting to be associated with. Just start typing and click on a record once you recognize it in Auto Suggest dropdown. Similarly, you may save the meeting to Salesforce associating it with a lead or a contact. Add description if you need to. Set a reminder. Required attendees are recipients you entered in your email, while optional attendees are those who are in CC field. Time zone will be pulled from default settings of your email client. Change it if you need to, and click Next. Now go to a certain date and click on the time slots you are going to suggest to your recipients. You may choose slots from multiple days. Click Finish when you're ready, and time slot section will be added to body of your email. Eyeball your email again and send it out when you're ready. On the other end, your recipient will get an email just as you send it with clickable time slots. When clicked, Revenue Inbox web interface will be opened in a browser, and in order to commit, it must be confirmed just one more time by clicking on the suggested time slot. Once the recipient sees this message, the meeting will be automatically added to your and your recipient's calendar. You will get an email from Revenue Inbox about meeting confirmation, and it will appear in your calendar.